Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back. We're going to do a little unboxing today for the Stream Deck from Elgato. This is the 15 key one, so it's not the mini, it's not the XL, it's like the original Elgato. So I decided to get back into streaming. What do you know? Oh, ho, 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 ho. Yeah. So what do we have here? A pretty nice box. And my hey, autofocus. Yeah, so my camera is a little bit acting a little bit weird today. So this is like a custom key. Yeah, and it's sealed. 1 second, guys. This is like a custom keyboard with his own software. It's going to have some LCDs behind every key. Yeah, so what do we have here? A star guide. Blah 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 blah. Anyway, the packaging is nice. It has to be for how much it's costing. It's like 150 euro. So this is the unit. You got 15 keys. Every key has his own. How do I say? Screen behind it? Yeah. Oh, let's put it aside for a little bit. See what else is in the box. We have the weird stand. Yeah, it's a little bit flimsy, to be honest. And quick start guide or what? Yeah. So if you want some macros, or if you want to have like a swing switcher, soundboard, and other stuff for a stream, it's going to make your life a lot easier. So this is the unboxing, because it's not a big unboxing, it's a small unit with just the unit and the stand inside it. And it's kind of heavy for his size. So let's plug it in and see what I'm going to do with it. So bye bye guys.